Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached Khaybar in the morning when they were coming out carrying their farming equipment on their shoulders. When they saw us, they said, "Here is Muhammad and his army, Muhammad and his army." So they fortified themselves inside the fort. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam raised his hands, raised the slogan of Allahu Akbar and said, "Khaybar has got perished. When we dismount at the battlefield of any people, the mourning of the people that has been warned get ruined." And we caught some asses and cooked their meat. So the Prophet's announcer announced, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam forbid you from eating the flesh of a donkey." So the casseroles and whatever was in them was overturned. Ali bin Mawdhani corroborated the hadith from Sufyan that the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam raised his hands. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2991.